Wholesome credit and a high credit score. Necessary for a great deal when you borrow money, important when it comes to renting an apartment, buying a house, or sometimes even getting a job. That is why it is so important to know how to repair your credit. You can turn to an agency for a credit boost, but if you consider that, then you should consider this. Many agencies use unfair tactics to separate you from your hard-earned money. Besides, there is nothing that an agency can do for you that you can't do for yourself. For instance, some credit repair agencies will advise you to start a new credit file by using a business tax ID number. The only problem with this trick? It is illegal. Don't do it. Another common trick agencies use is charging money up front to repair your credit score. This is also illegal. The law requires services to be performed before collecting any money from you at all. But the biggest trick of all is saying that they can do things for you that you can't do for yourself. That is baloney. There is nothing that anyone can do to boost your credit score that you can't do by yourself.
And here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's a letter and go to the post office. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay people thousands of dollars to clean your credit. What would this do for your world right now? How much is having bad credit holding you back? If you're a business person, it is really holding you back. You can't get financing, you can't get a credit card, you can't get loans to expand your business, credit lines, you can't do anything. You can't buy real estate. And just as a regular person, you can't get a credit card, you can't buy a car, you have to go to a buy here, pay here lot with bad credit. You can't get a mortgage, you can't rent an apartment with bad credit, you can't even rent a car with bad credit. There's so many things you can't do when you have bad credit. Exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw, and I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus in as little as 20 to 30 days. You can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.